Hello.
My people, I never see where 5,000 people carrying 250 million people look for local. Is what is it that to do with that? Why are we allowing it? My own father, they say my name, go better. You know better their own time. We don't we want to go down, we still want to live rubbish. All die, na die. Whether they kill for us, whether na malaria kill you, whether na hospital where you go, where drug no dey, or whether they kidnap you, all die, na die. And I want to tell you something. The people dying in Nigeria today are more than people that will die if they will stand up. Are more than people that will die if they will stand up to take what belongs to us. Let us just, we are already on the floor. A man on the floor feared no fall. So this is the time to take our country back. No going back. I'm not a politician. I don't intend to join any political party. But okay is okay for me. Okay is okay for me. I'm ready to lead, to be. Last election in Lagos, I was Peter Obi's labor returning officer, coordinator in the Ekiti. They came with so many things. But at the end of the day, the vote was so much that they couldn't change the result. So now, this time around again, we've won already 28 states. 28 states out of 36 states is already okay. They are ready to vote. Now is to stand up to them and tell them, no, this time you can't steal our vote. And we have to be ready for that. Right? We have to be ready for that because it's easy to vote, but when their own is like garri, by the time you put water, you come the next day, garri don't swell up. This time, garri no dey swell up. As we dey put water, we go dey drink am dey go. We have to be strong. We have to be strong in a country where we have 70,000 naira minimum wage. 70,000 naira. Yesterday, they said it's May Day. I call it slave day. Because how can you survive with 70,000? People that sat to say it's 70,000, their transport to the place alone is more than 70,000. So you can see the people we are dealing with. Look at Abuja for example. Our school teachers are at home. But we can decide he loves to give our I'm doing bridge, I'm doing bus stop, because that's where they get kickback. That's where they get money. If you pay teacher, you know to get kickback. But if you award ICC, you go get kickback. It is time to kick them out. Nigeria is not working for you. The man said he's a Democrat. Allow people to function. You said, Tinubu, go take it and run with it. You that you are saying, go, take it, run with it. You are now the one selecting for Lagos. You sit down. You get up. What is the take it in that? These people that are there now, they are military in Agbada. They are the one they are supposed to be arresting for good plotting. Because they are look at our life. What is moving? Nothing. It is time to take our country back. And the time is now. The time is now. If we can't do it now, we can't do it again. Because everybody is ready. The northerners are ready. From the east, they are ready. Even southwest, they are ready. So let us follow this okay until we are okay. Don't go back. God bless you and God bless Nigeria. It is time to make it okay.